Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how to fix the problem of your post titles. So this is the post section in a WordPress website when it goes down vertically instead of running across horizontal. Okay, so it takes up a lot of space and you can't see anything. So it's quite a simple fix. It turned out to be some plugins. So if you go to the plugins section, now what it was is that I had two search engine optimization plugins activated at the same time. So I wasn't really sure which one did it, but I think it was this one here. So but first I'm going to deactivate the other one. So this one here, deactivate this one. Press deactivate. So it's deactivating now. So that's one that's deactivated. So let's go back and see the post section. Okay, it's still the same. So now I'm going to go back to the plugins. So maybe it was just the one plugin. Go back down further. And this one here, SEO Press, but I think you could go to settings and sort it out, but let's deactivate it. Okay, now let's go to posts again, and it's back to normal. So now let me try and put the other plugin back on. So all in one, activate. Right, let's go back to the posts. Okay, so it did do it a little bit to it. So let's go back and disable it again. Okay. Deactivate. Right, go back to the posts. Okay, so that's the normal there. So the next way to fix this up, because it's still running down vertically, is I enabled my plugin that I wanted. So I've chose one SEO plugin. So now I'm on my post page and I'm going to go up to screen options and click on here. Now it gives me options that I can delete certain things. Now we don't need the name of the author, okay, because there's only one author on this website right now. Category, yes, they're good. Tags, we don't need the tags showing there, but we can see that we don't have any tags on this one here. There's a few that we do not have tags for, so that's interesting. Maybe I don't want to get rid of the tags. I'll get rid of the comments. Let's see. Get rid of the comment section. So it's getting better already, as you can see. When I put the comments back, it squashes it up a bit. Put the author back, squashes it up even more. So I'm going to take the comments away, the author. I can take this other part away as well, but I don't mind seeing that there, so I can fix up the posts. I mean, look at this one here. It's quite terrible. It's getting a terrible rating. There's a lot of fixing to do here. Okay. This one here looks like it's nice, with all in the green, but there's a lot there that need fixing. All right, so now I've got my my SEO plugin enabled. Now it all fits in the screen nicely, and I can see what columns I like. Now just press on that to get rid of it again, and you're back again. All right, so maybe you don't have to disable plugins if you've only got one installed anyway. Just come straight to this option here on the post page, go up to screen options up the top here. All right, thanks for watching.